Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to clear or remove all the host names using hostnamectl command in Rocky Linux 9 operating system. So first I am going to log in as a root user in terminal. So first I am typing hostnamectl command. So here you can see that static hostname and pretty hostname is set already. So we are going to remove this or clear all the pretty and static hostname. So this is the first command to clear the pretty hostname. So empty brackets. So you can see that pretty hostname is got removed. So this is the command to remove the pretty hostname, which means that I am not giving anything inside the quotes. So empty quotes, okay, empty quotes will remove the host names. So hostname ctl set -hostname empty quotes. So this will remove the static hostname. So you can see that static hostname is got removed. But one thing is it's very dangerous because hostname file will be got deleted. See here, hostname file will be got deleted. So reboot also will not work. So only way is you need to revert. That's it. Put back the host entry once again. I mean static host entry. So pretty hostname, no need to worry. Static hostname, if you delete means it will delete the hostname file. So reboot will not work. Once again I am repeating, reboot will not work. So put back the static host entry if you are deleted like this. So this is the way you need to clear or remove the host names using hostnamectl command in Rocky Linux 9 operating system. Make sure that your computer in isolated mode, which means your computer is not in any other network.